up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I am actually double uploading. So today is gonna be fingerboarding skills part 2. I got a new half pipe that I can do some awesome tricks off of, and grinds and stuff like that. So let's get into the video. Let's see. Should I do a fakey kickflip? I don't know. I'll just see what happens. Three flip. I hope you guys saw that. If not, I can do it over here. I can blunt. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, so I'm gonna do like a right side. I play games of skate sometimes, but not a lot I can do in this one because it's slidey, but big green ramp is the one that gets special stuff. So let me just adjust the camera. Okay. That was just oh, fall off the ledge. Falling off of. Ooh. No. Oh. I hope you guys saw that. I mean, pretty hard to film like this because I'm in my loft right now. So, pretty hard. I'm also using a tripod, so there's that. Okay, I'm gonna do fly ground because I just fling it. I mean, no, it's not good to fling it because I know how to kick it. I'm gonna try. Shove it. No. Ooh, what was that? Ooh, okay. Ooh. That was something like that. I don't know if you guys got that. Otherwise, I'm going to show you guys something. So, it's kind of cool. If you guys just come on, it's a Christmas tree, of course. And we're gonna come over here, and I can only give you a sneak peek of what I'm about to show you. This. Okay, I can only show you this part. All of that takes you all the way up there, all the way around, all these cool cars. I'm also going to show you one more sneak peek. Oh, yeah, I guess you guys just saw the bed. This is actually my room, and look at that, right here. Look at that. How good your blimp view. So you guys can see the Ford GT, the Sesto, the Pagani, Maserati, Corvette, Lycan, McLaren. I'll get you guys a better aerial view of it. It's not the Goodyear blimp, of course. So, yeah, make sure you guys hit that like because I will be uploading tomorrow for you. So, yeah. make sure you go check my stuff out. But there is an aerial view. And then I also want to show you guys something I have. It's gross, but it's awesome. Unlucky car. In fact, it was like $2.50. It is the Aston Martin V12 Vantage, and this is the gross part. It's like Cheetos in the hood. I hope you guys see that. It has Cheetos in the hood. It's gross, but whatever it takes you to, it's fine. Some more Hot Wheels. Then, boom, boom. We have some cars. I got the Corvette, Lambo, Ferrari, Ford GT, LFA, and another Ferrari. Once again, make sure you guys hit that like. I mean, why not, bro? Why not? And also hit that subscribe button down below if you want to see more videos from me. Also, shout out to Simone Houston. He does very good videos. Go check out his new inflatables video. He got and also, his other videos like update with me in it. We got Let's Go Lakers. So there's my closet, and yeah, once again, there's my Ferrari license plate. Got that right there, and then we're gonna just come down and down. You also see that new R8 and Speedtail. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, that like button, and if you want to, that notification bell. But please support my channel and support Jack's channel. He's good. But yeah, guys, please hit that subscribe button and like button if you want to see more from me. I'll be uploading tomorrow, and it's gonna be pretty cool. So why not? Just go. Like I said earlier, there is my there's an aerial view of my car collection, and I'll tell you what's all in there. So as I'm looking at 650S, Bentley, Corvette, Maserati, Sesto, Pagani, Ford GT, RX-8, Lycan, Lambo, and another Huayra. And then I'll show you guys this. We do have the Alfa Romeo, then we have the SLS, Demon, and the Z4 or Z4 if you're Canadian. What else do I have to show you guys? I'm just like walking down the hallway. There's our Christmas tree. Big Christmas tree. But the vlog wants to say hi to Evie. Say hi to the camera. She wants to smile at you guys. The girl's so cute. So hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. Yeah, just do it. Evie told me to do it too. She told me to let you guys know, like it and subscribe for her cuteness. So do it right now. 5-second challenge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you did it, it's great. Anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching the video. Once again, shout out to Simone Houston. He's a good guy. Go watch his videos. And I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye-bye.